Welcome to our journey through the top 15 kids attractions across the U.S. Let's start with Disneyland Resort in California. It's a magical place with thrilling rides and iconic characters, perfect for kids aged 3 and up. You can visit year-round, but spring and fall are best for milder weather and shorter lines. Next up, Walt Disney World Resort in Florida offers for amazing theme parks and endless entertainment. It's great for kids aged 5 and up, but younger ones can still have a blast. Fall and early winter are ideal times to visit for fewer crowds. Legoland, whether in California or Florida, is a paradise for young builders with its Lego-themed attractions. It's perfect for kids aged 2 to 12 and even older Lego enthusiasts. Spring or fall visits are recommended to avoid extreme heat and crowds. In Indianapolis, the Children's Museum is a must-visit for hands-on learning experiences. Geared towards kids aged 2 to 12, there's something for everyone year-round, making it perfect for any weather. Washington, D.C.'s National Zoo is home to thousands of animals, including giant pandas. It's ideal for kids of all ages, especially those who love animals. Spring and fall visits offer pleasant weather and active animal sightings. San Diego Zoo in California is world-renowned for its diverse wildlife and innovative habitats. Perfect for all ages, with special programs for kids. It's a great year-round destination, especially in spring and fall. The Smithsonian National Air and Space Museum in D.C. showcases the wonders of aviation and space exploration. While recommended for kids aged 6 and up, younger ones will still be amazed year-round, thanks to indoor exhibits. SeaWorld, whether in Florida, California, or Texas, offers marine life encounters and thrilling rides. Suitable for all ages, it's especially fun in spring or fall when temperatures are comfortable. Sesame Place in Pennsylvania is a water park and attraction based on Sesame Street. Perfect for little ones aged 2 to 8. It's best enjoyed in the summer with splashing fun in the sun with favorite characters. Universal Studios in Florida or California offers immersive movie-themed attractions and shows. While best suited for kids aged 7 and up, younger ones can enjoy specific areas. Spring or fall visits are recommended for pleasant weather and manageable crowds. Crayola Experience, found in Pennsylvania, Florida, Minnesota, or Texas, is all about hands-on creativity and colorful fun. Ideal for kids aged 2 to 10, it's great year-round with indoor activities perfect for any weather. Discovery Children's Museum in Nevada offers interactive exhibits for kids of all ages. Perfect for year-round visits. It's a great indoor destination regardless of the weather. These are just a few of the fantastic kids attractions across the U.S., offering endless fun and unforgettable experiences for the whole family.
Thanks a ton for watching. If you had fun, a little click on the like button would be like icing on the cake. And hey, why not subscribe? You'll get more videos to tickle your funny bone. See you in the next one.